Good evening, respected Principal Madam, my dear teachers and friends. This is Amreen of 10th Standard from Tamriz Khataban Girls 1. Today, I am going to explain you about modern periodic table. As we know that so many attempts of classification of element has failed. Then, in 1913, an English physicist, Henry Moseley, found that the fundamental property of an element is not atomic mass, but it is atomic number, because atomic number tells us electron present in an atom of an element, and number of electrons are actually responsible for the chemical property of an element. The give and take of electrons determines the chemical property of an element. Thus, after these, the arrangement of an element was done according to their atomic number. Modern periodic law states that the properties of element are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. In modern periodic table, we have 7 horizontal rows and 18 vertical columns. Let us begin with understanding what are periods. The horizontal rows in the periodic table are called periods. There are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. These periods are represented by Arabic numerals 1 through 7. The number of main shells present in the atom of particular element decides to which period it belongs. For example, sodium and magnesium. Electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8, 1. And electronic configuration of magnesium is 2, 8, 2. Both of them have 3 shells, so they belongs to period third. Similarly, the elements like potassium and calcium. The electronic configuration of potassium is 2, 8, 8, 1, and the electronic configuration of calcium is 2, 8, 8, 2. Both of them have 4 shells, so they belongs to period 4. First period in the modern periodic table is known as shortest period because the element in the first period have only one main shell. Second and third periods are called short periods because it have 8 elements in each. Fourth and fifth periods are called long periods because they contain 18 elements in them. Sixth period is known as longest period because it contains 18 elements and extra 14 elements in the below. Just like 6th period, 7th period also contain additional elements which are given below. But it is called incomplete period because some of the elements are missing in this period. Now let's move to the group. What are groups? The vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups. There are 18 groups in long form of periodic table. They are represented by using Roman numeral number 1st through 8 with letters A and B in traditional notation. Group of elements is also called element family or chemical family. For example, group A or first A group has from lithium to francium with outer shell electronic configuration Ns-pen and is called alkali metal family. Alkali metal family, it is derived from the word alkali, which means plant ash. Sodium, potassium, etc. were obtained from plant ash. Group first A elements are called alkali metals family. Alkaline earth metals. It starts from beryllium to radium. Its electronic configuration is Ns2. Valence electrons are 2. Valency is 2. Chalcogens. 6th A or 16th group elements are called chalcogen family because the elements in group 16 form ores with metals. It is derived from the word chalcogenous. Its valence electrons are 6 and valency is 6. Halogens. Halogen family has from fluorine to astatine. Halogen family, it is derived from the word halos, which means sea salt. Genus means produce. As most of the elements in group 17 or 7th A are obtained from nature as sea salt, they are called as halogen family. Noble gases or inert gas. 18th group element are known as inert gas or noble gases, as the elements of 18th group are chemically least reactive, so they are called noble gases. Their outer shell electronic configuration are the basis of octet rule.